Inis yung mata. Para pag natulog ka, presko. Bukas pa kayo maliligo. So, kulit-kulit kasi, laro lang ng laro. Ayan. Ayan. Hoy, Chiclet, dito lang ha. Malinis ka na ha. Malinis ka na. Malinis ka na, Chiclet. Press. Ano? Suklayin natin yung buhok. Tenga muna. Para hindi magbuhol. Oo. Kahit araw-araw pa yung sinusuklayan. Kasi kagatan kayo ng kagatan. Laro ng laro. Ang baba. Bukas pa kayo mag...
But he has multiple names.
Indeed, Filipino, they would participate in these arena shows, and they would ride horses, and they would be present for the audience to see.
Kabila. Ay,
So the Battle of San Juan Hill was actually kind of a finale
tignan ano ha. O yung buntot pa.
performance, and it was, it takes place in
Buntot
Cuba,
pa.
and it's essentially,
Halika dito, magpapabango ka pa.
Spain. And since it was an all hands on deck performance,
Para
then
mabango.
we did all the performance.
Pagkatabi ni Ma'am, ni Lola. Oh, hindi pa ha.
Some other performers, other Brahmin performers who have been out, and then the Filipinos.
But when it
Ayun
came
ko
to
nga,
this
mabango nga.
task, they drew
Kiss
a
mo muna
line.
si Lola. Kiss
They
mo muna si
decided,
Lola.
you know what?
Kiss mo muna si Lola. Kiss
We are
mo.
not
Na,
going
ayaw mo
to
kumis kay
play
Lola.
the role of the
Amin ko nga, kumabango na.
the colonizer.
Ang bango na pala
We
ni
think about this as one of the
Gustavo.
earliest forms
Gustavo.
of
Sige na. Doon lang kayo sa baba.
Nakulikap ang pagpapaputok ng baril ng isang barangay captain sa gitna ng isinasagawang clearing